My name is Bob Gruitt. I work for Oberweis Dairy as the Senior Manager of IT, and we've been using BossDesk for about 6 years now. We had piecemeal together solutions. We had one system for ticketing, one for inventory, one for knowledge base. Uh, it was very difficult to keep everything cohesive and everything together. BossDesk, it's an all-in-one solution, so it brought management of all these things into a single pane of glass. And not only that, but it's allowed us to share information across these solutions. In other words, now we can build ticket histories and associate those with assets so that we can build a history of individual devices inside of our inventory. Experience has been outstanding. BossDesk has a philosophy of working with their customers to build the roadmap for their products. And because of this, they're very open to suggestions and criticisms. They listen to their customers, and they take their very practical needs into account when designing future updates.